Welcome back, guys. Spidey is back with another video. So in previous video we have seen this result of AI playing a Flappy Bird game. So this is just a testing video. I hope you all have already seen this video. So in this video I'm talking about how you can implement this dip Flappy Bird game in your system. So let's start. Before starting, I want to tell you something. Just subscribe this channel and click on this red button. So if you subscribe the channel, then it will be motivate me so I can make more videos related to our machine learning, deep learning. Uh, in the short time, I am going to start a machine learning deployment series. So just subscribe the channel and like and share this video. So let's go to our work. So this is the official repository of deep learning Flappy Bird. So you can see if you want to read all the algorithms and technical details which are related to our machine learning and neural network, you can read all these things here. Even algorithm is also defined, described here. You can read all the. You can see here the convolutional layer. In normal game, we have the different background, but you can see here there is a black background because of some reason. You can see it will actually get the pixels value and feed it to the neural network. According to the neural network, it will guess the result. If you know what is the concept of the learning, transfer learning, not sorry, transfer learning. Actually, it's a reinforcement learning kind of approach. It learn from the disaster and reward. If it doing some work and if it success, then it get the reward. If it fail, then it called the disaster. So it kind of 0 and 1. So in the according to this game, it uses this kind of approach. So now if you want to read all the things in detail, then just read this report and research paper related to all the things I'm described here. So go to the official repository. So now we have to clone this repository. So I'm cloning. Just copy this link. Go to the directory where you want to clone. Open the CMD. Just type git clone and paste that link. So it will clone that repository into our directory. I previously made a video of object detection, face mask detection, mask RCN. If you have not watched, then all the playlist link are available in the description. So just watch all of the videos. I will make more videos related to the Flask, ML deployment using Tkinter or on the Flask. So this channel will be going to the amazing in future. So just subscribe the channel. Don't forget to subscribe Machine Learning Hub. So now we can see our actually our repository is now cloned here. So now open the code first, because in this file requirement is not mentioned, so we have to see requirement first. So there is a game, so I hope there is a pygame library. So let's see which library is required. So you can see TensorFlow, CV2. This is wrapped Flappy Bird, which is not the library. It is just one kind of folder, and so it's just accessing this. So it's not like any library. Collection is inbuilt library. So we need to install a pygame library, OpenCV library, and TensorFlow library. So open your command prompt, or just type pip install. First OpenCV Python. After installation OpenCV Python, just type TensorFlow. I always recommend use older version. I am using 1.14.0. After TensorFlow installation, just install Pygame. If you don't know what is a Pygame, then Pygame is a module for game development using Python. After installation of all this module, just go to the repository once again, our clone repository, open the CMD. Already command here mentioned, just you have to run this command python deepqnetwork.py. So I'm using TensorFlow 1.14.0 and I'm doing playing this game using my GPU. You can do this on the CPU also. In CPU it's some kind of lagging, but in GPU it's running perfectly. So let's wait for the result. You can see game is loaded. So now it's calculate disaster and reward. You can see all the things. So according to the disaster and reward, it will choose the 0 and 1 means action, means where bird have to jump. So this getting this all are the pillars pixels value. When it got the nearer, according to the training, it will jump used means 0 and 1. 0 means does not jump and 1 means it jump to the pillar. So it can play continuously this game. So if you want to see the value of action reward, and you can see these values are printing, even timestamp is also printing. So guys, just applying this algorithm is not kind of achievement. You have to understand the algo and code. So just I am showing you how you can implement this thing in your system. So that's all for the today videos. If you don't does not visit my channel, then you can just visit the channel and subscribe. Already there are many playlists available. You can see here deep Flappy Bird, mask RCN tutorial, emotional recognition system, data structure series, Python tricks, open pose estimation, TensorFlow object detection, face mask detection, image processing, Kaggle kernels. So all of the things I have mentioned in the my channel, and I will start amazing videos soon. So don't forget to subscribe the channel. So see you in the next one. So until that, keep subscribe the channel, like and share this video. Be safe, keep coding. So thanks for the listening me.